chalo ke kwa chuli atamani mamo kate ombero ngej wa kono ni the Prime Minister John war madit Mr. Ambrose Yo timame ang jakke itu mater mamo kate yo ke wai yo man mani chalo ke kwa chuli pero kayen you down le ka chỉ dùng chuyên mật tiếp em yang muốn yang da kia những cái mà ngoan mà cái bảo yo kia là yo ngoan cái là tiếp mà cái one Mr. Tim Michael MTBL anh cái team mà chào the Prime Minister cái quan trọng chắc là người ngoan em đã trên người ngoan đúng là tiếp của team Michael về ha em về Gama thì người em nhận được đấy đi mà ngoan mà cái chuyện là nhiều ngoan thì về ya chưa được cái qua mà này đấy em thì bachelor degree economics na no Kemakere University, a master's degree in business administration na no Kibuli University. Ang tuti magduong at yung mga riyat kan guru na yun ay kinakaan ng guru NGO Forum kagalaj ang tuyo gana ikikwa kan Anjalo Minister for Rehabilitation, Malamalaj, Kumbete, Anti-Minister of Local Government, the Basic Kampala. Again, the lawyer of the Parish Development Model Secretariat and the NTA. You don't experience, but I am to you, not me, Mugajal, I don't want to down here. Sila dit Michael Kim umajan media jaka tim going forward ke kwa chui to Prime Minister komanda embere kitime deputy from Megario what tiki deputy Prime Minister ma en lolo kom ngom yang di Jokene Walter mobil Joket yang jam yang ada memang kalau kita parkan kita untuk mati jadi itu yang kuannya di master degree in management studies yang door milih itu ada specialization di milih financial management. He got a postgraduate diploma in M&E monitoring and evaluation. He got another postgraduate diploma in financial management. He got a degree in Bachelor of Economics. BA in Economics. I'm going to get experience from I look at the team Guru district local government kan ichaka mahali wakile mia mwen pia kwa ya bero yo mahali yo beach ayano no tichalo waje finance officer ngela chen kimeruome to senior finance officer kada ngela chen kimena machalo waje the acting principal finance officer. I am the Department of Finance and Planning. Here again, an appointment given a COVID the Ministry of Public Service, the Kampala, Department of Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development. Kenya region deploying and activities. The Ministry of Lands and Environment and Kumbedeni and the Uganda Lands Commission. Chairman Principal Finance Officer, Matika aid in Department of Planning and Budgeting. Any kid mo kaya mo to the team responsibility mo pero kaya Matika kaya kung pero kaya he a member of Board of Governors. Matika mo si Cabinet Food for Lokan. Mabenat ye welcome the Finance Committee that board. The Vice Chairman actually Capital Initiative. So don't skate my room. Nyanma Dirk, like a man an appointment with Deputy Prime Minister. Maduro Local Finance. And the date Ukumu Michael Ukumu Martin. I'm going to explain that here. Ukumu Martin, and the young lawyer from Yai, I'm going to go to the show, primary, secondary, I'm going to go to the Obira. And taking a bit good while looking for ladies. Beyond the guardian for the one IBA, compared to UMI, the diploma graphic design and electronic publishing, audio key GMDC in the Egg, Netherlands, the BA. And take a BA in mass communication and master's in international relations and diplomatic studies at Makerere University. Kumbeti NTA member, a growing fellow at the World Bank Institute, and a certified transparency, accountability, and anti-corruption. I'm a certified governance fellow, Transparency International at Berlin in Germany. And to you, here in Uganda, to you, a new vision office by IDG Kiberobero, the delegate, the EU, Kampala. We will have 1, we will have 2, and we will teach the Chambers of Commerce, and the EA and EA, we don't retain consultant. We will to you what group when we Geneva, in Taiwan, you better and board member for National Planning Authority. And the member of my board in the National Interinstitutional Trade Committee of Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives, and then the board member, Uganda Food Fortification Project, Majo Mese, and then team member of Tamajo Clan. And the 10 Tamajo on the 10 party. So, man, you are deaf. Akumbeti, I want to make a good Macharawe media houses. Kidung wang do you actually. Manakayan, berpenyo angagi matiga doro supaya bisa ambil ke doro presiden itu tunu. Aku akumbeti. So dire ini. So di tu macam lokma ikan mati mawawang kupe wong. ke kwara chuli digi jo mutui akumbe digi jo gino mai ken ma digi tia chuli ke don ke kwara jana foi won do gen digi lo ma wi wadi ko tu kumbe digi won do na jare le na ana foi